Hey guys, it's Jonah Manzano here. I hope you guys are doing well today or tonight. In today's topic, we're going to talk about notes, where you can now actually change the bubble editor using three themes for Halloween. All right, so we have this pumpkin, we also have this bat, we have this spider. So we have three different Halloween themes that you can choose from, and you can actually post it on your notes. Let's have a look. So if I'm going to choose the bat, I'm going to apply this and I'm going to say, hey, what's up? So after that, you can share it to your friends. It will look like this. As you can see, there is an animation, sort of like a Halloween theme, and you can also change it to the next one. All you have to do is press this pencil icon on the corner, and this one as well. Let's have a look. Hey, share it, and you'll see this Halloween pumpkin, whatever you call it, theme that's popping up on your screen. Let me know if you have this feature. It is a only temporary feature because of upcoming Halloween. Anyway, cheers, bye.